Great day, folks. Welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today we'll be having a special dish in Istanbul. It's called Kokorec, which means grilled lamb intestine that's stuffed with lots of grilled meat and other good flavor fruit inside. It's a very popular street food in Turkey. It's a tedious process to prepare this dish. As you can see, that the boss, the chef right now is actually checking on are prepared, done or not. But let's go through the tedious process. You got to clean the lamb intestine really well. You got to make sure that it's rinsed well, scrub well, soak well with salt and milk, get rid of any weird smell, right? Then you got to stuff it with all the meat before you get it marinated and you grill it over the charcoal. So after it's done right, you can put it over the charcoal to keep it warm. And lastly, before serve, like the chef here, he'll be chopping all the meat out into small pieces and continue the second part of the frying. So for me, I have a request to have a whole piece of this kokorec by itself. I don't want it to be small pieces. I want to have and experience the whole meat by itself. Then the chef is also helping me with all the side dishes like chili, tomatoes, pepper to increase the flavors, and finally it's being served. A great shout out to the chef for letting me to film the entire cooking process. Well, normally they will eat it with bread, but for my case, I can't really take the bread. It's too much for me already, so I'm just going in for just the protein. Alright, my kokorec is finally done. It looks and smells really good. Now, it's a time to dig in. There's two parts that I can try. The first one is a normal, well-chopped pieces. I'm going to use it. Original taste for the first bite. Next, I'm going to mix in with some chili, okay, with the well-chopped pieces for the second bite. Going in with tomato will have a different taste also. The tomato is well grilled, juicy, along with the kokorec is another type of flavors that is definitely unique. For my second plate is a full intact piece of the grilled lamb intestine, and trust me, this texture is much better than the well-chopped pieces. Right, that's the end of today's lunch. It's a good one and look forward to more videos from Jay's Journey.